clearly in the word the proposal. Have you heard the word proposal? Yeah, definitely. And what all are its different meanings? A word has different many meanings. According to the context, its meaning changes. And do you know what all are the meanings of the word proposal? The proposal. Do you have any idea? Mainly, there are three meanings that we are discussing. The first one is that a suggestion or a plan or a scheme for doing something. A suggestion, a proposal, a suggestion, plan or scheme for doing something. Okay, we are familiar with it. And the second one is an offer for a possible plan of action. An offer for a possible plan of action. And the third meaning, which is more interesting for you, you might have heard about it. What it is? The act of asking someone's hand in marriage. Most probably, you are familiar with that meaning. Yes. And in this chapter also, we are dealing with this third meaning of the word proposal. What it is? The meaning is the act of asking someone's hand in marriage. Now you got. That means we are going to deal with something. It's a one-act play. A play which deals some kind of a marriage proposal. Yes, this one-act play, the proposal is written by Russian dramatist and short story writer Anton Chekhov. Okay, have you heard about Anton Chekhov? He is considered as the greatest writer in world itself. That means he is a greatest writer, especially in short stories and in plays, the dramas. He has written many dramas, and all the ones are very beautiful and excellent in theme. Here also we are going to deal with his one-act play, The Proposal. Okay, he is actually a Russian dramatist and a short story writer. And in this one-act play, we are going to deal with mainly three characters. Three characters are there in this story. Who all are they? We can see. First one is Stepan Stepanovich Chubukov. Actually, he is a landowner. This man, Stepan Stepanovich Chubukov, is a landowner. And the next one is Natalia Stepanovna. He is the daughter of this landowner and 25 years old. She is 25 years old. She is the daughter of whom? Stepan Stepanovich Chubukov. And the third character is Ivan Vasilievich Lumov. Ivan Vasilievich Lumov, and he is the neighbor of Stepan Stepanovich Chubukov, and he is 36 years old, and he is the one who is coming there for asking the hand of Natalia Stepanovna for marriage. Okay, now you got an idea about what we are going to discuss with, and who all are the main characters. The play is about the habit of wealthy families that they are trying to get their daughters married to well-to-do families to enhance their wealth. In order to enhance their wealth, the families, they are trying to get their daughters married to wealthy families or well-to-do families. Okay, the play is about play is revolving around that thing. And the play is about the tendency of wealthy families to seek ties with other wealthy families to increase their estates by encouraging marriages that make good economic sense. That I told you now. Ivan Lumov, a long-time wealthy neighbor of Stepan Chubukov, also wealthy, comes to seek the hand of Chubukov's 25-year-old daughter Natalia. Father is calling her as Natasha. And all three are quarrelsome people. The main characters in this play we have discussed. But one thing is particular about them is that they all are quarrelsome, always quarreling or always in arguments with someone or something. That's the thing particular about these characters. But economic good sense ensures that the proposal is made after all, although the quarreling perhaps continues. That means that what we are going to discuss. And in the beginning of the chapter, in page number 142 and 143, there was a description about Russian wedding. a Russian wedding. How this Russian wedding is taking place and what all are the procedures that they are doing. How the thing is described there. You can read and understand what all things are going there. Okay, you can read. And shall we start our play? Yes, we can start. Take page number 144. A drawing room in Chubuko's house. Lomov enters, wearing a dress jacket and white gloves. Chubuko rises to meet him. Okay, what is the background that we are getting? A drawing room. And whose house it is? It is Stepan Stepanovich Chubukov's house, a drawing room. There, who is coming there? Our character Ivan Vasilevich. Ivan Vasilevich, 36 years old, neighbor of Stepan Stepanovich, coming there. Okay. And Chubuko is talking something. Chubuko, my dear fellow, whom do I see? Ivan Vasilevich. I am extremely glad. Squeezes his hand. Now this is a surprise, my darling. How are you? This is a conversation that he is starting with. Chubuko is asking to whom? Chubuko is asking to, or he is greeting Ivan Vasilevich who comes to his house. And what he is saying, my dear fellow, whom do I see? Ivan Vasilevich. Oh, who am I seeing here? Is it Ivan Vasilevich? I am extremely glad. He is politely greeting or politely wishing Ivan Vasilevich. I am extremely glad to see in my house. And he is shaking his hand. The word squeeze. The word squeezes means press. Okay, the word squeezes means press. That means he is shaking the hand. And Lomov is answering. Lomov is replying, thank you. And how may you be getting on? He is saying politely, he is replying, yes, thank you. And what about you? How you are going on? Then Chubuko is saying, we just get along somehow. My angel, thanks to your prayers and so on. Sit down, please do. Now you know, you shouldn't forget all about your neighbors, my darling. My dear fellow, why are you so formal in your get-up? Evening dress, gloves and so on. Can you be going anywhere, my treasure? You might have noticed that he is extra polite. That means always calling him as my angel, my treasure, and some other usages are there. Extra polite. That's his way of talking. And he is saying that yes, I am also doing good. Somehow I managed to live or survive peacefully with the blessings and prayers of people like you. Somehow I am managing to, or I am living in a good way with the prayers of you. And why you are in this dress? His attire. He is in a evening attire. That means his outfit, his dressing is different. And so he is asking, are you going to some other occasions? Are you going somewhere? And why you are in this dress? Who is asking? Stepan Stepanovich Chubuko is asking to whom? Ivan Vasilevich. Okay. Lomov is responding, no, I have come only to see you, honored Stepan Stepanovich. He is saying that I came here to meet you. I am not going anywhere. Chubuko, then why are you in evening dress, my precious? As if you are paying a New Year's Eve visit. Again, he is asking the reason why he is in this attire, in this outfit. Like what? He is paying a New Year's Eve visit. Lomov is answering, well, you see, it's like this. Takes his arm. I have come to you, honored Stepan Stepanovich, to trouble you with a request. Not once or twice I have already had the privilege of applying to you for help, and you have always, so to speak, I must ask your pardon. I am getting excited. I shall drink some water, honored Stepan Stepanovich. That means Lomov came there for a request, with a request that we know already what will be the request. But Stepan Stepanovich don't know for what purpose he came there in this good-looking way or in with a good outfit. He don't know. And Lomov is saying that I came here to meet you and I have a request to you and I am very much excited and I don't know how to express this to you. And shall I have or can I have a glass of water? Means he is overexcited. he's overexcited and he don't know how to say that request, how to express his feelings. I shall drink some water, Honored Stepan Stepanovich, and he is drinking that water. Chubuko, aside. Aside means not. It is an inner voice, not directly to the character present in front of him. He is saying he is come to borrow money. Shan't I give him any? Aloud. What is it, my beauty? He is thinking in his mind, but in play we can hear it. Okay. His thought is given there. He is come to borrow money. He is thinking that he is assuming that he came here for asking money, but I will not give that money to him. He came here. He is anticipating. Maybe for that purpose he came here. But I am not going to give money. And in loud voice he is asking, what is it, my beauty? He is again extra polite. What is it, my beauty? What is the request that you want to ask to me? Please say. Then Lomo, you see, Honored Stepanich, I beg pardon, Stepan Honorich. I mean, I am awfully excited, as you will please notice. In short, you alone can help me, though I don't deserve it, of course, and haven't any right to count on your assistance. Again, he is saying something and something just before introducing the thing to him. I beg your pardon. The word pardon means excuse. I am asking excuse to you, and I don't know whether I am deserving it. I am deserving it or not, but you are the only person that who can help me. He's telling. Then Chubuko is, oh, don't go round and round it, darling. Spit it out well. Okay, why you are going round and round? Why you are saying many other things? Please speak out. The phrase spit it out. The phrase spit it out means speak out. Please speak out what you are intending to say. Please say it aloud. Lomo, one moment, this very minute. The fact is, I have come to ask the hand of your daughter, Natalia Stepanovna, in marriage. Finally, he spoke out what it is. What was the request? Yes, finally he said that I am here to ask the hand of Natalia Stepanova in marriage. Okay, that's the request that's why he was so much excited, and he is begging the pardon and always saying I don't know how to express these things. Like that, his way of talking is in a different manner. The rest of the things that we can discuss